Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's MargaretGeorgeTune.com. I'm back in our video. Well, in previous videos you've seen me shave with this razor blade from Vikings Blade. This is their mild razor blade, and it's for those individuals who have non-coarse hair. If you have coarse hair, probably not for you, but Vikings Blade has introduced a brand new razor blade. These are Cayenne Hot DE razor blades, medium and coarse hair. So if you have medium to coarse hair, this is the blade for you. And subjectively, they rate these between an Astra and a Feather. So now you have two blades to pick from Vikings Blade. You have the original mild blade for those of you who have non-coarse hair, and now you have the Cayenne Hot semi-aggressive razor blade for those of you who have medium to coarse hair. And we're going to shave with this one today. I'm going to be using my Vikings Blade Emperor razor, adjustable, twist to open. I love this, and I'm going to be using this razor because it has the asymmetrical head, the dual head, sculpted on one side and a straight bar on the other side. I'm going to start at level 6 with the sculpted comb, and if that proves to be a little too aggressive, I can either dial down or I can just flip to the straight bar, get a little less aggression, because I don't know what to expect with this new blade because it is semi-aggressive. So really looking forward to that. My soap of choice, again, is going to be the Rugged Spice from Chagrin Valley Soap and Salve Company. Really looking forward to use that. And yes, first time out, my brush might have been a little too wet. I still got a really good lather, very, very slick, and that's what I'm hoping for. So I'll probably go with a little drier brush this time around, probably generate a little thicker lather. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm going to finish it off with an Ozma alum block, but I'm going to rinse that off because I'm also going to be using the Chagrin Valley Soap and Salve Company's Woodland Breeze Shave Balm. So no pre-shave oil, not going to let the alum sit on my face, and we're going to use this brand new blade here in the Emperor razor. As a matter of fact, let's load it up right now. It's double wrapped. Isn't that great? Double wrapped, beautiful. There it is right there. Vikings Blade. See that? Vikings Blade. Swedish Sandvik steel. Can you see that? Isn't that great? Got that little ship on there. Vikings vessel. That's great. And I'm going to go ahead and just twist this open. I love this because look how easy it is to load the blade. Just drop it in like that and close that, tighten it down. And I'm going to set this at 6. So it's set at 6. I'm going to start with the sculpted side, sculpted bar first, and you know, let's see where we go from there. So I've got the soap soaking, hot water soaking the puck. It's ready to go. I'm just going to dump it out here. I'm going to get a little bit of that water on my face, and we're going to build a lather. Here we go. So let's just wet the face and get going. That in itself makes a great pre-shave right there. That you get a little bit of slickness in the water from that. Okay, so here's my Fire Mare brush. That's what I'm going to be using, my Vikings Blade Fire Mare brush. It was soaking, and I'm going to give this a good wring and a couple of shakes. I'm going to go with a little drier brush this time around, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the lathering process here and how much lather is going to build up here. I'm going to load this brush. And I like to get these hard soaps with a synthetic brush. As soon as I get a little bit of cream building up there, then I know it's ready to go to a face lather. And I'm almost there with this. This is a really quick lathering soap. I mean, look, I mean, I'm almost there. This stuff is really, really amazing. Yeah, it might have been, my brush might have been a little too wet the first time around, but you know what? It's amazing how much lather this is being generated right here. And I think this brush, this Fire Mare brush is terrific, and good choice this time around. So look at that. I got this nice cream here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a face lather right now. That should be more than enough to get this going. It's got that great Rugged Spice scent. Really, really nice scent. Terrific, terrific scent. Maybe a little more water, just a little dab. You know what? That's got it. Okay. And rinse my hands off a little bit there. All right. I'm going to warm up this razor a little bit. There's some hot water. I'm going to let that get up to temperature. Very good. That's hot. That's good and hot. Little swirl in the warm sink there. All right, we're set at 6. We got this new Cayenne Hot blade in my Vikings Blade Emperor razor, the Augustus edition. So here we go. 30 degrees, a light touch. Let the razor do all the work, gentlemen. That's smooth. That's a smooth blade. Wow. I think that's the perfect setting for me for this razor. I'm going to go to the straight bar to do the neck. And boy, back to the sculpted side. Nice. I'm going to use a straight bar on the upper lip. First pass done. Let's rinse. Really nice. Nice, nice. On par with a lot of other first passes I've had. Very, very nice. We're going to go ahead and lather up for my second pass. I got plenty on the brush. The soap is made from organic ingredients. It's all natural. And it's making a nice lather. I think the key to this, the attraction to this for me, is the slickness. Yeah, so it does, someone said it dissipates a little bit while it's on my skin. Yeah, but there's a lot of slickness there. Nice. All right, I'm gonna dial this down to 4. That's where I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna dial this down to 4, and we're gonna use a sculpted comb. We're gonna go east to west across the grain. That's the second pass done. Let's rinse. I'm done. I'm done. That's a beautiful shave. That really is. That's nice. 2 passes and I'm done. I mean, that is really, really nice. It's a close shave. It's a smooth shave. More on that later. The soap really did its job. Gave me a lot of nice slickness. I'm going to go with my 2 final rinses here. 1 warm, 1 cold. Okay, here's my warm water rinse. Okay, we're going to go to switching it to cold now. Go with my cold water rinse right here. Close on the pores. Well, Got a clean, fresh towel waiting here for me on the counter. Beautiful. Really nice. That's that's a nice shave. Boy, that's a nice, smooth shave. I didn't need a third pass, not at all. We're gonna go ahead and use the Osmo block just to get feedback. I'm beginning to think that with the natural shaving soap from Chagrin Valley Soap and Salve, you probably don't need this, but I want to see what kind of feedback there is, and we'll find out how close we were. Okay, so here we go. No stinging, no zinging, nothing. That's great. That's a beautiful shave. That's nice. That's really, really nice. Wow, I'm gonna let this sit on my face for about, I'm gonna let this set up on my face for about 30 seconds, 20-30 seconds. Drying it off and putting it right here in the dish. And then I'm going to rinse it off because I want to use this, this Woodland Breeze balm without having any of the alum interfere with it. Okay, that's been it right there. Okay, toweling off one more time. Okay, that's got it. Really nice and smooth. That was a really nice, smooth, close shave. All right, Woodland Breeze Aftershave Balm from Chagrin Soap and Salve Company. Right there. All you do is get a little dollop in your, get a dollop. That's probably about a dollop right there. And it is rather stiff in the jar. Take out some, just really get in there, take out some, and then really warm it up between your palms and then spread it around your face and really massage it in. That's how you're supposed to use this. So we're just gonna go ahead there and put that on the palms and really warm it up here. And the warmer it gets, the easier it is to apply. And now we're gonna warm it up and now we're gonna apply to our face. Very nice. I'm going to get just a little bit more for upstairs. Just a little bit more for upstairs. I still have some residual on my hands here. And this really seems to lock in the moisture and really feels great. It's a completely different feel from any other aftershave balm I've used. Really nice. I think warming up in your hands also has an effect on your skin by really working it in. Great shave. Great shave. Yeah, double clap. Really, really nice. These blades are very, very smooth. Very sharp. I think the rating being in between an Astra and Feather is accurate. I really do. I like them a lot. Now, on the product page, they were saying that, folks at Vikings Blade were saying that when you first use this blade, it might be a little bit draggy on first use. And I think they have that on the box here as well. Right here, important. The first shave may feel draggy or edgy as your skin is adapting to a new blade type. It's okay. This is to be expected and perfectly normal. I didn't get that at all. I really didn't. I guess maybe I'm just used to the Vikings Blade razor blades. This is a step up from their mild razor blade. And you know what? I like this a lot. Really, very, very nice. I got a nice, smooth shave. No nicks, no cuts, no irritation. The alum block told me that. I used a natural soap, and folks, I backed off on the water on the brush, and you can see that it makes a lather. It does dissipate a little bit. It might just be that second time out with it, I'm going to have to massage this soap a little more in order to get to that lather. But you know what? There is a slickness and a protection there that is just wonderful. And it's natural ingredients. It really does a great job in protecting your skin. I think the soap paired up with the razor, paired up with this blade, was just a really, really winning combination. It was really, really nice. Used the Emperor Augustus razor, adjustable razor. Love this razor. Again, just to recap, I was on 6 for my first pass, using both the sculpted and straight bar side. On the second pass, I moved it down to 4 and just used the sculpted side all the way through. And I got an absolutely beautiful shave. There was no dragging. There was no dragging to the blade at all. Nice and smooth. I think these are great blades. These are absolutely great. I really like these a lot. On first use, I was really surprised. I mean, really like them a lot. Terrific, terrific blade, really. And I can see where they may be a little more aggressive, have a little more oomph than an Astra. These are every bit as smooth, even smoother. I mean, really, really nice. And in this razor, I mean, winning combination, really, really nice. Okay, hey, that's it. That's all I wanted to mention to you. This has been a great shave with the new Vikings Blade Cayenne Hot razor blade for medium and coarse hair. Really, really nice. Check them out if you're looking to up your game in the wet shaving world and looking for something that has a little more aggression, but also a lot of smoothness. Check this out because these are really good. Seriously, I mean, again, it's probably one of the smoothest blades I mean, I love these things. These are great. These are really, really smooth. They're sharp. They give me a close shave. 2 passes with my adjustable razor. What's not to like? All right, hey, thanks very, very much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Please share, please subscribe, hit that bell so it'll give you a yell the next time I upload a video. Comment below, let me know. Are you gonna get some of these? What are you using right now? Please check out my blog, georgetoon.com/blog for my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this, and I'll see you again real soon.